Alright, what's up guys? So I am currently headed to meet up with a fellow follower on Instagram. We met each other through Instagram. One day I found his profile, was looking through his pictures, and saw that, you know, his location was tagged in an area that's literally just across the river from me. It's not even 10 minutes from my house. So we got in touch, started talking for a bit, and said, hey, you know, let's meet up and let's get some pictures of the trucks together and we can get them on Instagram and whatnot. So I figured that I would just make kind of like a little vlog here, give you guys some clips. It rained yesterday, and I know that I just washed my truck, but it rained yesterday. So if I can find like a mud puddle or something, we may have a little fun. So maybe stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, so we're heading to location number 1. We're gonna grab some pics. I'll see you there. Alright guys, so I didn't get much video. I left the house with a full charged camera battery, and it's literally so cold that it just drained the battery recording that montage for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. Didn't really get any other footage. I will link his Instagram, so go ahead and check him out. That Silverado is super sweet. It was good to finally meet you, dude, if you watch this video, and we will be meeting up again for some more pictures. So check out his Instagram, and also check out my Instagram, where you will see photos of the trucks as well. So now we are heading back home, and I don't know what we're gonna do. Why even bother? Just washed it like 2 days ago. Ugh. Alright, what's up guys? So been a few hours since I got back from taking pictures with Seth, the owner of the white Silverado. I just want to kind of put an end to this video. I didn't unfortunately get as much as I wanted to, but I've had some people asking me on Instagram and whatnot what's all done to the truck, and I've had a couple comments, people asking me what is all done. So I figured that just to end this video, I'll go over everything that is done up to the truck at this point. You guys can comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. So starting from the front, I have a color matched and black emblems that I painted myself. I color matched the grille and the bumpers, which the grille, the bumpers, and the mirrors, which was also all done by me. I have a video for all this stuff if you guys want to check it out. The fog lights are smoked. I have, of course, my newest update. I have 20x10 negative 24 Anthem Enforcers on a 33x12.5 20 Fury Country Hunter RTs. Black Hemi badges, black Ram 1500, I-board 5-inch steps. I removed the flat black pillars. I do have 5% on the rear, 35% on the front, and a 5% 5% strip. This is going to be changing. A lot of things are going to be changing here shortly, so this is kind of why I want to give you guys an update. Also forgot to mention, on all my doors, I do have jam handles. This is a company that I'm sponsored by. So basically you can get 2, 3, and 4 finger slots in a whole bunch of different colors. I can link their Instagram down below as well. And then you just shut the door like that. So that avoids you putting any hand marks here, any hand marks here, and scratching up your paint. I do have them on all 4 doors, as you can see. Super convenient, super nice. So rolling around to the back here. The back is also color matched with black. The bumper is color matched. I have LED license plate lights. I have LED reverse lights. My tail lights and my third brake light are smoked. And then I have the LED light bar on the tailgate. I believe that's everything for the outside. Not a lot has been done to the inside at all. Nothing. Yeah, I don't even know if you would count this, but I have a American flag decal cover for my shift knob, and then just a few outer decals, like I have the anthem, and then my American flag waterfowl, and then my Instagram. Both of these were made by the same guy. He does really, really good work. He stands by his work. If anything is damaged or whatnot, he will replace it for you. I can go ahead and link his Instagram below if you're looking for decals at a really good price. Unless they're given to me, like my Anthem one, if I need any decal made, I'm going to go to this guy. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, not a lot. I mean, a lot has been done. I've only had the truck 4 months. So in 4 months, we've pretty much completely changed the look of this truck around. The next big thing, which I know I've said it a million times, is here in the next month or so, I'm going to be building my headlights. So those ugly, nasty halogens are going away. Debating on a grill. So there are 2 grills that I'm debating on. Well, they're both the same thing, which is where you would actually cut this off and it's just the mesh grill, or there is the rough country grill, which I can attach a picture here that has the light bar in it. Debating on one of those, or if I want to keep the stock color matched grill with the chrome lines, bars, I guess. I don't know what you'd call that grill. But yeah, guys, that's the vehicle, that's the truck. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of a montage today. Again, I will be putting up those more pictures that we took today with the trucks, and we're doing another photo shoot probably next week because it's supposed to be nicer and we're going to go to a different location. So check out my Instagram, check out his Instagram, because there's a lot more coming. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me. And until next time, peace.